चला जा।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, S. Prabhakar from the Prabhakar Crooning Corner, welcome you all to this special edition. I am happy to announce with today's program, we are going to complete the Golden Jubilee 50th online lockdown programs, which began in April 2020. I gave just a 2 months break in between when the lockdown is open and resumed the programs again, which are going till date. These programs have been organized first under the banner of Mayur Musical Group, then in Prabhakar Crooning Corner. I have predominantly presented programs in Hindi, which are mostly theme-based. Besides these programs, I presented few multilingual programs also, and most of which are tribute programs to the legendary singer S.P. Balasubramaniam, whom we lost on September 25th, 2020. A large number of singers have joined me in these programs, and I will take their names during the course of the program. Coming to today's program is a special program on R.D. Burman, who was born on 26th of June 1939. So today is the 82nd birth anniversary of one of the gifted and legendary music director, R.D. Burman. R.D. Burman is one of the greatest music directors of Hindi and Bengali film industry, one who has introduced electronic instruments in Hindi and Indian film industries in a big way, which has been followed till date. Worked with all top banners and top producers and gave maximum number of super hit songs which are enduring and still lasting. Instrumental in making Kishore Kumar a household name along with his father S.D. Burman, and spelt a magic with his wife Asha Bhosle, and became an inspirational music director for generations to come. So today I am going to present super hit songs under the music direction of R.D. Burman. So enjoy the program.
सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो
सके तो इसमें जिंदगी
एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, वहाँ दास्तां मिली, लम्हा कहीं नहीं। थोड़ा सा हंसा के, थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये भी जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां शर्मा गए। अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए। मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा, ऐसे न आहें भरा कीजिए। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। आप पुकार माँ आपका नाम मेरा कराना और नहीं, इन झुकी पलकों के सिवा दिल का ठिकाना और नहीं। जचता ही नहीं आँखों में कोई, दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता हूँ मैं, तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा, दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं। मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए, अब तुम ही सनम फैसला कीजिए। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन आए, मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। ओ मेरे दिल का चैन, ओ मेरे दिल का चैन। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभलो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। अब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझसे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे। मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या करूं मैं दिलरुबा। बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। मैंने सदा चाहा यही, दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं। तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बसता फिराना ज़मीनों से मैं। तौबा मगर मिल गया तुझसे नजर, मिल गया दर्द जिगर, सुन जाओ बेखबर। जरा सा हंस के जो देखा तूने, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभलो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
With the further part of the program, I would like to acknowledge the contributions made by various singers in the programs which are held in the last 1 year. Though very large number of singers have joined me in these programs, it is not possible to take all the names. I am taking the names of those singers who have participated in maximum number of programs. As far as Hindi is concerned, R. Krishnamurthy, co-founder of Mayur Musical Group, who has sang songs in Hindi and Tamil. Dr. Subhash, a member of Mayur Musical Group, who is celebrating today his 60th birthday. So I wish on my behalf and on behalf of all the members of Mayur Musical Group and Prabhakar Crooning Corner a very happy 60th birthday to Dr. Subhash. So Dr. Subhash sang songs in Hindi and Telugu. Shreya Mishra from USA, who sang songs in Hindi. Anupati from Visakhapatnam, who sang songs in Hindi, Telugu and Tamil. Kavita Singh from MP. Nandini from Australia, who sang songs in Hindi and Telugu, but she sings in Kannada as well. As far as Telugu songs are concerned, P. Harita from Hyderabad, Sri Lalitara from UK, Phanisri from USA, Nirmala from USA, Ashrita from Hyderabad, Vijayalakshmi from Andhra Pradesh, Aruna Jyoti and Dr. Raj Kumari from Andhra Pradesh. As far as Kannada songs are concerned, Bharati from Bangalore and Kote Chindambaram from Bangalore. All these people have sang in various programs, and as I said, apart from these, large number of people have also joined me and sang songs in 1 or 2 programs. So I would like to place on record my sincere gratitude to all these singers, because of whose contribution only these programs could be so successful.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ। क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ। सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरी महबूब। सुनो किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरी महबूब। वो छलक जाता है जो बेमाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। कितना प्यारा वादा, कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का। इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालूं हर मोहे संभाल। ओ साथिया बेलिया,
कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का। इस मस्ती में सोचो ना क्या कर डालो हाल मोहे संभाल।
अरे कोरा कोरा गोरा गोरा ये अंगोरा है, पागल मोहे बना दिया। कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का। इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालूं मोहे संभाल। बरसों मैंने मन जलाया, मिली पलकों की तब ये छाया। कांटे मेरे तन में टूटे, गले से तूने जब लगाया।
कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का। इस मस्ती में सोचो ना क्या कर डालो हाल मोहे संभाल।
प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालूं हाँ मोहे संभाल।
ओ साथिया ओ मेरा,
कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालूं हाँ मोहे संभाल।
ओ साथिया ओ मेरा, ओ साथिया ओ मेरा।
किसका रास्ता देखे है दिल है सौदाई, नीलों है खामोशी, बरसों है तन्हाई, बोली दुनिया कभी की तुझे भी मुझे भी, फिर क्यों आम भर आई। इसका रास्ता देखे ऐ दिल ऐ सौदाई। कोई भी साया नहीं राहों में, कोई भी आया नहीं बाहों में, तेरे लिए मेरे लिए कोई नहीं रोने वाला हो, झूठा भी नाता नहीं चाहों में, तू ही क्यों डूबा रहे आहों में, कोई किसे संग मरे वैसे नहीं होने वाला, कोई नहीं जो यूं ही जहां में बनते पी पराई। इसका रास्ता देखे ऐ दिल ऐ सौदाई। तुझे क्या बीती हुई बातों से, मुझे क्या खोई हुई बातों से, सेज नहीं चिता सही जो भी मिले सोना होगा, हो गई जो डोरी छूटी हाथों से, लेना क्या टूटे हुए साथों से, खुशी जहाँ मांगी तूने वही मुझे रोना होगा, ना कोई तेरा ना कोई मेरा, फिर किसकी याद आई। किसका रास्ता देखे ऐ दिल ऐ सौदाई, नीलों है खामोशी।
No program can be successful without the encouragement and support of the audience. On an average, 300 to 400 people view all my programs, 70 to 80 live and others subsequently at their own convenience. though it is very difficult to take all the names, but I would like to acknowledge the support of those audience who have seen maximum number of programs. They are S. Vijayalakshmi, my mother, who not only sees all my programs but specially calls and give very encouraging comments and pushes me to go further. Mrs. S. Indra Sudha, my wife, who not only listens to all my programs but make all arrangements and ensures that there is no disturbance. S. Pallavi, my daughter, who did a brilliant job of editing many of my programs. Aishwarya, my daughter, who logs in and gives thumbs up. My sister Durga, brothers Sudha and Vasu. My mother-in-law P. Sachwati Garu, Prasad, Harita, her parents, and Venkatamurti Garu. My nieces Deepthi, Swati, Shruti, who are big fans of my music. My cousin sister M. Durga from Visakhapatnam and cousin Anjali from Hyderabad. Baba and Sharda from Jammu, and my sister-in-law Lakshmi Garu, who meticulously notes down and gives scores for each and every song. Potukuchi Vijay from Hyderabad, an ardent fan, and incidentally he has come to Delhi from Hyderabad all the way 4-5 times to attend programs of MMG. Babji Kanakaraju, his wife from Vizag. Vamsi and her parents from Kakinada. Salija and Uma, who have recently joined and give very encouraging comments. Krishnamurti and Shiv, my co-founders of MMG. Dr. Subhash, member of MMG, who gives fantastic messages, and whenever he is in the program, it's always encouraging to sing peppy songs. Bhuvna Jaykumar and Kalarajan, both singers and who have participated in few of our programs. Shreya from USA, who has participated in few programs, and her parents, and Japnam and her parents. Sunita Jha, Pavan Rawal, Karun Kumar, KK and Rajput from IOC. Malgiji from Experian Gurgaon. Unni Shankar from Bangalore, who is a very regular listener. Kusuma Aunty, Amitabh Ganguly and Pratap, my ex-colleagues from Ansal. Kapil Taneja and his brother Ish Taneja, Tejender. Arvind Kindra, who always looks forward for my programs and keep calling me, inquiring about the programs. Jail Sharmaji and Sudhir from the Lalit. Sheila and Prasad from Delhi. Dr. Hanuma Prasad from Anantapur. Mrs. and Mr. Shastri from Chennai. L. Ravi and Mutigaru from Kakatiya, Delhi. Rajendra Batra, a lawyer and good singer from Mumbai. Rajanish Sancheti, lawyer from Bombay. Vinay Dengra, Ramesh Akula, Sandhya and her family. Kuchi Bhavani and Lakshman from Delhi. Alawadiji and all Manthan friends from Delhi. And a host of colleagues of my wife from NCRB and Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, whose names I do not know. So thank you to all the audience, and I wish and hope that you will continue to give support for me and my music group to give more and more performances.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा तुम्हें रात दिन में यहाँ से वहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा तुम्हें रात दिन में यहाँ से वहाँ। मुझको आवाज़ दो, चुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा तुम्हें यहाँ पास हो तुम खड़े मेरे दिल में छुपे और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला। पास हो तुम खड़े मेरे दिल में छुपे और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला।
मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। खेल है क्या जाने, दर्द भरा ये गीत कहाँ से इन होठों पे आए, दूर कहीं ले जाए। भूल गया क्या भूल के भी है मुझको याद सरासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। मेरे नैना सावन भादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। बात पुरानी है, एक कहानी है, अब सोचूं तुम्हें याद नहीं है, अब सोचूं नहीं भूले। सावन के झूले, रुत आई रुत जाए देखकर, झूठा एक दिलासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। सावन भादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा। बरसों बीत गए, हमको मिले बिछड़े, बिजुरी बनकर गगन पे खेले, बीते समय खेरे खा, मैंने तुमको देखा, मन संग आँख बिछोड़ी खेले, आशा और निराशा, दिल भी मेरा दिल मारा। मेरे नैना सावन भादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा।
While I am doing my 50th program of Prabhakar Crooning Corner, Mayur Musical Group has turned 5, and along with the songs, I will share some of the encouraging words from ardent fans of Mayur Musical Group and Prabhakar Crooning Corner.
మా ప్రభాకర్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ప్రభాకర్కి పాటలంటే ఉన్న ఇష్టం వల్ల మయూర్ మ్యూజికల్ గ్రూప్ అని పెట్టాడు. అందరూ కలిసి నెలకోసారి పండగకి పాడుతూ ఉంటారు. అందరూ బాధ్యత గల ఉద్యోగస్తులే ఉన్నారు. డాక్టర్ సుభాష్ గారు, కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, శివ్ గారు, ఇంకా ఎందరో ఉన్నారు. ఉద్యోగంలో బాగా బిజీగా ఉండి అలసిపోయి రిలీఫ్ కోసం సరదాగా వీళ్ళంతా కలిసి పాటలు పాడుతూ ఉంటారు. మా ప్రభాకర్కి చిన్నప్పుడు బాత్రూమ్ సింగర్ అని పేరు పెట్టాం. బాత్రూంలో వెళ్తే అదే స్టేజ్ అనుకొని పాటలు పాడుకునేవాడు. అది చిన్ననాటి సరదాగా భావించేవాడు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు పట్టువిడని విక్రమార్కుల్లా ఇంత ఎత్తు ఎదుగుతాడని అనుకోలేదు. ప్రభాకర్ పాటలకి ముఖ్య శ్రోతను నేను. మొదటి నుండి ఆఖరి వరకు చూస్తాను. మొదటి కంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎంతో బాగా ఫ్రీగా పాడుతున్నాడు. అన్ని భాషల్లోనే పాడుతున్నాడు. అంతేకాదు దేవుడి పాటలు, అష్టకాలు అన్ని రకాలుగా పాడగలడు. తను పాటలే కాదు అందరి చేత పాడిస్తున్నాడు. బాగా పాడగలిగి అవకాశాలు లేక, స్టేజ్ లేక ఉన్నవారిని అందరినీ ఇప్పుడు బాగా పాడుతున్నట్టు తయారు చేశారు. హిందీ సింగర్స్, తెలుగు సింగర్స్ పాటలని బాగా పాడుతున్నాడు. ఎందరో శ్రోతలు, అభిమానులు అయ్యారు. ప్రభా పట్టుదలతో, స్వయం కృషితో, స్వశక్తితో తన గాత్రాన్ని స్వరపరుచుకుంటూ పాటల నావపై పయనిస్తున్నాడు. లాహిరి 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 అంటుంది.
अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। जाने मन जाने जिगर होता में शायर अगर कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर। मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे कपाओ जाने हया हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। सारी उम्र मुझको रहेगा याद।
मैं अकेला था मगर बन गई वो हमसफर, वो मेरे साथ हो गई एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई।
एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई।
Mayur Musical Group is a non-profit organization started by my brother S. Prabhakar along with his friends Krishnamurthy Garu, Shiv Garu and Dr. Subhash is also one of the members and many more must be there, though I do not know their names. MMG gives chances to budding artists. They have done many voluntary shows. They brought smiles to the visually challenged kids and elderly people. They visited many temples, many what should I say, many schools and did lot of charitable shows. During the pandemic also they did not lose their heart. In fact, I think they did an awesome job by doing every week one show. They went Facebook Live and this further helped them to spread their wings. Now the artists are from all over India, I think. He has artists from Vizag, he has artists from Jabalpur, North, South, East, West. Many are part of MMG now. It's no more only Mayur Vihar confined to Delhi kind. So I would congratulate them for bringing so many varieties of songs. They have songs for every festival, every season, every mood. I think my brother also once, he told us like he has sang one song for a prayer meeting because that auntie liked his singing and the family requested him. That was such a touching thing for us, you know, that his passion for singing is giving him so many opportunities to touch many lives in so many different ways. So I think he has sung, I wouldn't be saying he, in fact he has collaboration with many artists. They have sung, they have covered so many artists like Mukesh, Kishore Kumar, Hemant Kumar, Muhammad Rafi, SP Balasubramaniam, Ghantasala, P. Sushila, Janaki. Like I think everybody on earth, every artist they have touched. So rock on MMG, hearty congratulations. I think today is going to be our 50th episode of Going Live. Hearty congratulations to whole team. Way to go for MMG. 3 cheers to MMG.
रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी है अगन। रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी है अगन। रिमझिम गिरे सावन। पहले भी यूं तो बरसे थे बादल, पहले भी यूं तो भीगा था चल, पहले भी यूं तो बरसे थे बादल, पहले भी यूं तो भीगा गाता चल, अब क्या है भजन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगी आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी है अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है ये अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किस अजनबी से। हाय कब अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, इस मौसम में लगी कैसी है अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी है अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन।
Dear friends, Mr. Prabhakar is an extremely talented professional who can don any hat, be it academics, public speaking, games and sports or music. He excels in all and is always a star performer. The quintessential entertainer that he is very, very passionate about singing, transgressing all barriers of region and language, be it Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Bengali, Punjabi, or any language for that matter. He sings with such fluency and elan. I too am a very great fan of his, so are all my family members. His songs cater to all age groups. He sings songs of almost all the famous Bollywood singers of the last 7 decades. In fact, he also sometimes sings Lata and Asha's songs too. His online musical performances programs over the last more than 1 year have been acting like medicines or like vaccines against the COVID by elating the moods during these trying and depressing times. I am very, very elated and very happy to hear that he is presenting his 50th online program, that is Golden Jubilee program, on the 27th of June 2021. I am eagerly looking forward to another exciting and relaxing evening of mellifluous singing by the versatile mega entertainer, the one and only Mr. S. Prabhakar. All the best.
मेरी भीगी भीगी सी पलकों पे रह गए जैसे मेरे सपने बिखर के। जल मन तेरा भी किसी से मिलन को अनामिका तू भीतर से। मेरी भीगी भीगी सी पलकों पे रह गए जैसे मेरे सपने बिखर के। जल मन तेरा भी किसी से मिलन को अनामिका तू भीतर से। मेरी भीगी भीगी सी बिन पहचाने मैंने हृदय से लगाया, तुझ बिन जाने बिन पहचाने मैंने हृदय से लगाया। पर मेरे प्यार के बदले में तूने मुझको ये दिन दिखलाया। जैसे बिरहा की रुत मैंने काटी, तड़प के आहें भर भर के। जल मन तेरा भी किसी से मिलन को, अनामिका तू भीतर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी। आग से नाता नारी से रिश्ता, काहे मन समझ न पाया। आग से नाता नारी से रिश्ता, काहे मन समझ न पाया। मुझे क्या हुआ था एक बेवफा पे, हाय मुझे क्यों प्यार आया। तेरी बेवफाई पे हंसे जग सारा, गली गली जिधर से गुजरे। जल मन तेरा भी किसी से मिलन को, अनामिका तू भीतर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी। मेरी भीगी भीगी सी पलकों पे रह गए, जैसे मेरे सपने बिखर के। जल मन तेरा भी किसी से मिलन को, अनामिका तू भीतर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी।
I am R.K. Murthy. I am part of Prabhakar's Mayur musical group in Delhi, mainly doing all charity programs in Delhi NCR. I am very glad to know Prabhakar is doing his 50th online program through his Facebook and YouTube, and it's a Golden Jubilee celebration. I wish him all the best, and he has been doing a fantastic job in enthralling all the music lovers across India, across world, globally, and many people are watching. Even I am also one of the fan. I do watch his program, and fantastic songs, R.D. Burman special, Kishore Kumar, Mohammad Rafi specials and all, and I wish him all the best. And in fact, Mayur musical group, I am associated with him for last 5 years. In 2016 we started this Mayur musical group, and we have just completed 5 years in this month, and we have done so many programs, charity program in blind schools, orphanage homes, and many senior citizens clubs, all free of cost. It's purely a charity to make everybody happy. So, but during the last 1.5 years of pandemic, we have not been able to visit these places and do the program. However, Prabhakar has been doing it through online. I do join him occasionally, and I'm enjoying his program. And today he is doing his 50th program, and wish him all the best, and enjoy. Thank you very much.
काजल जले ला 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 ला। ऐसे तुमने जुल्फ गिरा दी है, बेचारे से कुछ ख्वाबों की नींद चुरा दी है। आँखों पर कुछ ऐसे तुमने जुल्फ गिरा दी है, बेचारे से कुछ ख्वाबों की नींद उड़ा दी है। रोज रोज आँखों थले एक ही सपना चले, रात भर काजल जले, आँखों में जिस तरह ख्वाबों का दिया जले। आँखों में जिस तरह ख्वाबों का दिया
Hello Prabhakar. Prabhakar, I am listening to your singing for last many years. When I first heard you, I thought that singing is your passion. You know singing and you like singing. Even at that time, I realized that you are very good in singing certain moods and singing songs of certain singers. If you will remember, I told you are very good in sad song and you are very good in singing Mukesh song and Mohammad Rafi's song. Then I heard you singing various types of song in various moods. I heard you singing on recorded music, and slowly you had mastered that recorded music, singing on the recorded music, and now you are a professional singer. You can sing all sorts of songs, all sorts of moods, all sorts of singers, and you can sing singly, you can sing duet, you can sing in a group. I wish that your Sunday's show is a great success. All the best.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। ओ ले लिया दिल, ओ हाय मेरा दिल, हाय दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना।
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम।
बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं सी तमन्ना में।
बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं सी तमन्ना में।
तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज तुम इतना वादा करते जाना।
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को।
सजाऊंगी लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगी हंसी लबों की लाली को।
है वफा क्या इस जहां को, एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना। चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम,
बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम।
Hello Prabha, and friends at MMG, congratulations on your 50th lockdown singing program. It's incredible and it's a milestone. It's very impressive the way you guys have grown, and it's amazing actually. What started as a passionate bathroom singing has evolved into a reckonable force, and every now and then when I listen to your latest singing, I come back getting more and more impressed. I'm truly proud of you. I'm very happy, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best and even further growth. I don't know what that means, but definitely you're extremely capable and you'll find your wings. Great, congratulations.
जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकान, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकान, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, मगर पतझड़ में जो फूल मुरझा जाते हैं, वो बहारों के आने से खिलते नहीं। कुछ लोग एक रोज जो बिछड़ जाते हैं, वो हजारों के आने से मिलते नहीं। उम्र भर चाहे कोई पुकारा करे उनका नाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। आँख धोखा है क्या भरोसा है, आँख धोखा है क्या भरोसा है। सुनो दोस्तों शक दोस्ती का दुश्मन है, अपने दिल में इसे घर बनाने ना दो। कल तड़पना पड़े याद में जिनकी, रोक लो रूठ कर उनको जाने न दो। बाद में प्यार के चाहे भेजो हजारों सलाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। सुबह आती है रात जाती है, सुबह आती है रात जाती है, यूं ही वक्त चलता ही रहता है, रुकता नहीं। एक पल में ये आगे निकल जाता है, आदमी ठीक से देख पाता नहीं, और पर्दे पे मंजर बदल जाता है। एक बार चले जाते हैं जो दिन रात सुबह हो शाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते।
Hi everyone, this is Sailja Kiran from Hyderabad. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Prabhakar Garu for encouraging this beautiful form of entertainment even at this lockdown period. While every one of us is the highest stages of stress and fear, this whole new concept of online music concert often help us forget how critical the situation is and gives a sigh of relief. As a music teacher and a professional vocalist, I understand the value of the idea of reaching the music out to the everyone. It deserves enormous appreciation from us music lovers. And finally, I would like to congratulate Mr. Prabhakar Garu for successfully reaching up to the Golden Jubilee RD special of this program. Thank you.
तेरी कसम तेरी कसम तेरी कसम तेरी कसम तेरा दीवाना देखे तुझे क्यों जमाना मैं एक तेरा दीवाना देखे तुझे क्यों जमाना देखे मेरे नैना दिल में चुपके रहना हो देखे मेरे नैना दिल में चुपके रहना रखना ना बाहर कदम मेरी कसम मेरी कसम मेरी कसम मेरी कसम
तौबा सनम तौबा सनम
गुस्सा है मेरा तेरी कसम तेरी कसम तेरी कसम तेरी कसम ला 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 ला।
From a shy bathroom singer to now a full-fledged performer, you have come a long way in the field of music. Although you started your musical journey a little late in life, you have most certainly made up for lost time. You, along with the other group members of Mayur Musical Group, have brought smile and cheer to friends, family, people in need, especially during the pandemic. You have helped your viewers learn so much about a lot of lost musical gems. I specifically enjoy the anecdotes that you share about these artists. People in my generation may not even know most of them. I hope you continue to pursue this musical journey and bring joy to everyone around you. Thank you for all the effort and time that you put in preparing for all of these programs. We're all looking forward to many more musical programs from Prabhakar's Crooning Corner and Mayur Musical Group.
चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम, चांद से है दूर चांदनी कहाँ, लौट के आना है यही तुमको, जा रहे हो तुम, जाओ मेरी जान। चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम, चांद से है दूर चांदनी कहाँ, लौट के आना फिर यही तुमको, जा रहे हो तुम, जाओ मेरी जान। वैसे तो हर कदम मिलेंगे लोग सनम, मिलेगा सच्चा प्यार मुश्किल से, हो दिल की दोस्ती खेल नहीं कोई, दिल से दिल है मिलता यार मुश्किल से, यही तो है सनम प्यार का ठिकाना, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ। चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम, चांद से है दूर चांदनी कहाँ, लौट के आना फिर यही तुमको, जा रहे हो तुम, जाओ मेरी जान। चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम, चांद से है दूर चांदनी कहाँ, लौट के आना फिर यही तुमको, जा रहे हो तुम, जाओ मेरी जान, जाओ मेरी जान, जाओ मेरी जान।
With that, we come to the end of the program, and I hope you have enjoyed the program. We will continue with these programs both in Hindi and regional languages, though the lockdown is open, because most of the people are advised to stay at home unless it is really essential. We hope that very soon the auditoriums will be open in NCR, and we, under the banner of Mayur Musical Group, will resume our programs and add more segments to what we are serving as of now, namely blind school, orphanages and old age homes. So if you like this program, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and till next program, I as Prabhakar from Prabhakar Crooning Corner take leave all of you. Good night, take care of yourself and take care of your family.